Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. So let's see what we have for Taurians. Okay, so we have the Two of Wands on your side. So what's there on the person's side? Okay, we have the World on your person's side. The most likely outcome. The Ten of Pentacles. Okay. So as far as these three cards are concerned, though you are waiting for something or new venture, new adventure, or perhaps because it's a relationship reading, so you are ready for the relationship perhaps. And on your person's side, we have the world, and here I'm being drawn to this globe, and the world also is a representation of this globe itself. So what I feel here is that something is changing either in the dynamics of this relationship, because here you see we have the globe over here, okay, and the world itself means globe. So both of you are ready to step up into a relationship, perhaps a change of a chapter, change of a relationship status, ready to step up into the new world perhaps. Okay, so that's what I'm getting. So this is, you are ready to step up into a relationship, waiting for perhaps the right time, right, I should say, the date perhaps. So here you are waiting, ready for to enter into this relationship. And on your person's side, we have the world. So definitely there is a big change coming in this person's life. And here we have, as the most likely outcome, we have the Ten of Pentacles. So that's what I'm getting. Seeing all these three cards, so it's talking about a step up in the relationship, which is going to obviously change your world, change your life in some way, shape or form. Okay, and here I see with the Ten of Pentacles, it is a commitment, it is a family. So Taurians, ready to step up or move into a new life. Okay, so let's see. Let's have the clarifiers and see what's there behind the scenes for this Two of Wands. Okay, so again we have the Two of Wands, the Knight of Wands, and the Ace of Wands. Okay, and here on your person's side, wow, we have the Sun, the Chariot. Wow, beautiful reading, and the Ten of Pentacles. Beautiful reading, Taurians. And the most likely outcome, let's see what's there. Okay, so we have the King of Cups, the Knight of Swords, and the Five of Swords. Wow. Anyway, so here definitely with the Two of Wands again, you are waiting for someone perhaps, or maybe you're waiting for the right person to come in. So here you are ready to step up into a relationship, and perhaps you're waiting for the right person to come in. That's what I'm getting. You are ready for the new beginning, definitely. Here again we have the globe. So definitely you are ready for the relationship, I should say, waiting for the right person to come in. And here with the Knight of Wands, what I feel is you are feeling happy because perhaps you feel that now you've got the right person. With the Knight of Wands, you are rejoicing. Okay, this person is perhaps entering your life. Maybe it's something new, it's a new relationship perhaps. So here you are ready, waiting for the right person to come in perhaps. And with the Knight of Wands, you are very happy once this person comes in your life. Okay, this is a very vibrant and a happy energy. So you are very happy, rejoicing because you've got the right person in your life. That's what you're feeling. And here with the Ace of Wands, it's about the new beginning. It's about the new beginning. So definitely there is a new beginning which is coming in, and there is a relationship coming in. And since you're waiting or ready for the relationship, there is a relationship which is definitely coming in, and you are ready for it, and you have a new beginning. And here on your person's side, we have the Sun, the Chariot, and the Ten of Pentacles. Definitely somebody is moving in very fast towards you. This person wants to have a family with you. Okay, so with the Sun, your wishes are being fulfilled of this person with the, and these are the major arcanas. So definitely somebody is rushing in towards you with the motive of having a commitment. Is maybe this person is rushing in towards you for a commitment, but definitely they have a marriage or a relationship on their mind. Okay, so definitely there is a new beginning, and you are very happy about it. As far as this Ten of Pentacles is concerned, the clarifiers are the King of Cups, the Knight of Swords, and the Five of Swords. See, what I feel here is that I would like to take some more cards as far as this outcome is concerned. Nine of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, Nine of Swords, Six of Cups. Okay. See, what I feel here is that there is something which is bothering you or both of you. There are a lot of emotions. Everything is there. Both of you want to have a family. Again, Ten of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles. So there is a commitment and a family, but there is something which is bothering you perhaps. See, there is somebody here who has they have a lot of emotions. Whosoever it is, it can be you, it can be them. But there is somebody here who has who has something which is bothering them. Some tension is there, some anxiety is there for whatever it is. And somebody here is very tense and anxious about something, whatever this is, whatever the reason here is. But here with the Nine of Pentacles and the Eight of Pentacles, so one of you is very tense and anxious over something, or maybe that is a past history which the cards are picking up. Maybe it was like that for at some point in time, but maybe somebody has a baggage over here. But here with the Nine of Pentacles and the Eight of Pentacles, what I feel here is that somebody is being very self-focused. It can be the same person. Maybe they're trying to fight out those negative experiences and trying to focus on themselves and coming out of this negativity. Maybe this is the same person who is working on themselves for whatever is bothering them. It can be that also, but what I am getting is it's one of you is being very anxious and the other person is quite stable. So one of you has something which is bothering one of you, and the other person seems to be quite stable and content and confident. Okay, that is what the energies are in these cards. So somebody is trying to sort out those negativities, even if there are a lot of emotions. It can be you. It can be you, it can be them. But the other person is quite self-content, satisfied, confident and happy. So they are happy in their own space. One of you is very happy, one of you seems to have a baggage or something which is bothering them. But here then we have the Six of Cups, the Six of Swords, the Queen of Wands and the Three of Cups. So what I feel here is that somebody here is trying to come out of this negative situation, whatever it was, or the baggage, and they want, with the Six of Cups, see, it can be reconciliation for some of you. Maybe that is what you were waiting for, because we were with the Taurus, you were with the Two of Wands here and the Two of Wands here. Perhaps you were waiting for somebody to come in. Maybe some of you are actually waiting for somebody from the past, with the Six of Cups over here. And Six of Swords, so somebody is definitely walking away from the negative aspects. The Queen of Wands and the Three of Cups. So definitely, for those of you who are waiting for a reconciliation or somebody from the past to come in, that person will come in. And for the others of you, it's a new relationship. Maybe this person has a baggage, they are trying to sort it out, or you have a baggage, but somebody here has a baggage and they are trying to come to terms with their own self. But then, yes, definitely there is a reconciliation, there is happy times, there is celebration. So it can be a new relationship for some of you, for others of you it can be a reconciliation. But whatever it is, at the end you are being with this person. Let's see, what is the message from the universe? Number 42 or number 6 may be of some significance for you. Rest and relaxation is essential. We all have a fundamental need to take a break. So perhaps the person who is anxious over here needs to take a break. They need to rest. They need to give time to themselves. Don't rush in then. Give time to themselves, whosoever this person is. And what I'm being drawn to is this. Maybe this person needs some sort of help or some divine guidance. Maybe some sort of advice from someone senior, somebody trustworthy. Maybe this person needs to meditate, needs to go to the counselor, needs to sort out something or take advice from someone who is more experienced or senior to them. So somebody here needs to rest, needs to take some time. Okay, now one more thing is, it can be that because somebody here rushed into the relationship, as I said, maybe because it is coming in the outcome. So maybe because you rushed into the relationship, there is something which happened which caused this Five of Swords and the Six of Swords and this Nine of Swords energy. So maybe it is something because you rushed into the relationship. That can be for some of you, but that now there are certain things which are coming up, some issues are coming up which need to be sorted out, and for that you need to take some time or advice or counseling, whatever it is. Since it is in the outcome, it can be this also, that you moved into the relationship but now there are certain issues which need to be handled. So it can be that also for some of you Taurians. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.